Hey everybody, it's Neil, and we have wasps, and I've been hanging up these little wasp nest things all over the place, but they kind of blow away because they're kind of made out of paper. And this is gonna be my solution for that. These are heavy duty screw-in hooks, but they have little covers on it. So let me show you, let me open this up. If I can open it, sorry. Take one of these out. So you can see it's like a hook with a little clip on it. So you can hook it on and then it'll flip. You can, sorry, just trying to do this one-handed, but you can open up the little there, that area, and slide something in, you see there. So when you screw it into the post, so I have it screwed into the post and have them hanging, things won't blow off. That was my problem, they were blowing off. If you're putting it into sheetrock or something like that, if you need it for that for any reason, if you're gonna be doing a string line across the room or something like that inside, they give you the little wall anchors for that as well. So you've got that, and it comes with a whole bag of a whole bunch of these here. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. Outside is, you can see that little paper wasp thingy, you see it's going around, and it's gonna fall off of that hook like some of the other ones have over there. I've actually put some heavier ones on there. But in this, will hold it in place so things just won't blow off the hook. So very cool, even for like Christmas lights back there, anything you need that you just don't want to fall off, that's gonna be good. So I like it, thumbs up.